guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video we're going to be doing a super chilled video. We're actually going to be decluttering, organising and cleaning my makeup room. Now, I've not been in here since way before Christmas. I stopped filming about mid-December. The only reason I've been in here is to actually do my makeup, because I sit here and do my makeup every day. So I've not tidied it, I've not cleaned it, I've not done anything since mid-December. So it's looking like an absolute mess. But I know you guys love these sort of videos, decluttering, organising, cleaning, getting fresh. And I feel like just because it's the first Monday of 2021, I really want to get in there, get it clean, get it organised, have a bit of a declutter, and also just have a catch up with you as well, because I've obviously not filmed since mid-December. So I did just want to make it a bit of a chilled vlog video and just keep it really relaxed and have a bit of a catch up with you as well. I've also gained quite a few new subscribers, so if you are new, then hello. I'll just tell you a little bit about myself real quick. My name's Rebecca. I've been a makeup artist for nearly 6 or 7 years now. I'm fully qualified and I recently stopped doing clients to teach online masterclasses to people who want to learn makeup. I want someone to actually reveal the secrets. I also make loads of YouTube videos, loads of makeup tutorials, everything like that. So if you're a new subscriber, then I'm very happy to have you here. So, I mean, the drawers here are not actually that bad, to be honest. Like, things have like fell over and whatever, but it's not looking too bad. The floor is bad. We've got books, Christmas presents, lighting, we've got a balloon that needs going. Look at my desk. We've got rollers. To be fair, I've just brought up my flash and cup of tea. Where is it there? Like, there's just stuff everywhere. I also want to declutter some of my brushes. I've got far too many, so I'm definitely going to get rid of some. I'm really old and crusty, and I might also give some to family and friends, get them cleaned up and everything like that. It's just because I don't want to throw them away and like waste them if they're good. But I just feel like if I'm not using them, then they're just sat there for no reason. So I think the first thing we should do is probably tackle this desk. No, actually, I think we should do the floor. I think we should do the floor first. Okay, guys, hello. So, biodegradable bin bag OVS. If you ever see a bin bag from me, it's biodegradable. I'm very passionate about saving the planet. So, first things first. So, obviously, it's been Christmas and New Year. I hope you all had a fab Christmas and New Year. I'm just gonna well, that took longer than expected. It's been Christmas and New Year. I hope you all had a fab Christmas and New Year. Well, as good as it could have been. I know that it was a little bit different this year. We went into tier 4 on New Year's Eve, so me and Ali spent New Year's Eve on our own. We cooked a really nice curry. I got a new cookbook for Christmas, the Dishoom cookbook, and oh my god, we cooked this unreal curry. It was literally amazing. Also, just because I've not filmed since, when did I last film? Maybe like mid-December. Since I last filmed, I am engaged. Woo! So yeah, Ali asked me to marry him over Christmas, which is literally unreal. I've spoken about it so much on Instagram, but I've not actually mentioned it here on YouTube because all my videos that you've been watching have been pre-filmed. This is like the first time I'm actually speaking about it on camera. Like, guys, I'm so happy. Like, we are just over the moon. Like, we are getting wedding planning started. I need a wedding planner, like an actual book, you know, like a diary sort of thing. So if anyone has any recommendations of a good one, please let me know. But yeah, we are literally so happy. I can't believe it. But yeah, honestly, literally over the moon. It was the best day ever. I just feel like I'm still in this bubble. We're spending a lot of time together and I've just loved it. I've just loved it. So yeah, I'm really happy. Wedding prep, let's begin. But first we need to get this makeup room tidy. That is the main thing before any wedding prep. So I think I'm gonna actually tidy my Christmas presents away. These are all just like little bits. My main presents I've already like put away and stuff because I've got like loads of like nice perfume, loads of really nice stuff, but I've already put it away. But this is just the last of what I need to put away. Can't wait to use that. Can't wait to use that. If you guys know me, you know I love a candle. Got some bath salts here, more booze. Got some gorgeous White Company shower gels, but I don't think they'll fit in my bathroom drawers because we've literally got so many. So I'm going to keep these in here for now. And then I've got another White Company candle. Got some chocolate, more chocolate, more gin. That's my gift card. I think that's it for this bag. I love the White Company bags. I feel like they're so sleek, aren't they? Very nice. I might try and use it on display somewhere because I feel like that's such a nice bag. Don't want to get rid. Don't really want to get rid of it. You know, it seems such a shame to like bin stuff like this. So I think I'm just going to tie it up and put it on display. I think that'll be really nice. I always love like bags and stuff on not bags, but like nice things on display. I feel like this adds to the aesthetic. So we're going to keep that out. I feel like I'm rambling a bit and I don't want this video to be hours long. So we're going to do a little time lapse and crack on. So these are all the products that I've sort of like collected from everywhere. These need putting away, but I'm going to put them into a pile of what I'm keeping and what I'm putting in a giveaway. So we've got loads of new products here. This is not new, but I had this out the other day because I was doing something with it. Again, I had that out the other day. I was doing something. I think a lot of these like new products have been sent in PR, palettes, skincare stuff from advent calendars. That looks nice, doesn't it? LMS Superfood Glowing Priming Moisturiser. I'm going to try that. Yeah, just got loads of goodies. So I'm going to sort this into a pile of what I'm keeping for myself and what's going in the giveaway box. Plus, we've got this new YAZMAE Cosmetics Thirsty Palette. I've been using this all over Christmas, so it's a little bit dirty. But can we just... How nice is this? I can't wait to do a tutorial with this. As soon as I can, I'm gonna do a big old tutorial with this because I absolutely love it. It's all I've been wearing like over Christmas, to be honest. This and the Natasha Denona palette, but I do actually have a 10% off code for this, so I'll put it on screen, and I think it brings it down to like £27, and the pan sizes are absolutely massive as well, like so big. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that while we're here, but I'm gonna sort these out. Keep, giveaway. So let's do that. So this is what I'm going to give away. It's going to go in my giveaway drawer. Now this is my giveaway drawer. It's all stuff that I've been collecting for giveaways. There's literally so much stuff in here, like it's honestly crazy. But I don't know when to do my giveaways, to be honest, guys, because the thing is, I do them over Christmas, New Year, January, that sort of thing. But then we've been put into tier 4 now, and you're not really meant to go out, like, unless it's like necessary to get food from a supermarket and stuff. So I don't know whether like me going to the post office all the time, because I want to do quite a few giveaways, I want to do quite a lot. I don't know whether me going to the post office all the time is sort of like a necessary trip. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I really want to do like massive giveaways, so I might hold off till things are a little bit more normal here to do some giveaways, because I've got so much stuff to give you all. Like, I've got loads. I've been collecting loads of stuff for absolutely ages, and just sort of like putting it in this drawer. And yeah, we've got like loads of like ColourPop eyeliners, we've got P. Louise, we've got absolutely loads of stuff in here. Laura Mercier, Beauty Bay, Huda Beauty. Honestly, I've been collecting loads of stuff and buying loads of stuff for you. So I'm going to keep these in here, and whenever things calm down a bit around here and I can get to like the post office again, then I'll get some giveaways up on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I'll be doing loads and loads of giveaways. Right, we've got so much good stuff. Absolutely unreal. So that is the giveaway drawer. So the floor is looking a lot better. I just need to put some of this in my bedroom, and then this is going away. But I need to sort out all this. So I might as well wait to put that away before I do this. So I need to organise all this, put all the makeup in that little box there. That's what I use to get my makeup out of these drawers, and then bring it to my desk when I'm doing makeup. So I need to put all the makeup in there, brushes away, get rid of that bottle, do all this kind of stuff. And yeah, I think I'm going to watch something as well. I'm actually going to watch Robert Welsh. Loads of you ask about my iPad stand. It's from Amazon. Literally just type in black iPad stand and it comes straight up. Got my tea, got my water. We're going to attack all of this. Okay, so I'm making good progress. Floor's clean, table's done. There's a little bit more to put away over here. But now we're going to do brushes. We're going to get all these brushes clean. I'm going to sort out what I'm keeping, what I might give away, what's... Sorry, I've just run up the stairs, I can't breathe. What's crusty and old and won't be good for anyone, which is hopefully not that many because I do look after my brushes. And yeah, we're going to watch more Robert Welsh, cup of tea, nice fresh one going there. And yeah, we're going to wash these brushes and get them nice and clean. This is what I use to clean my brushes. So it's called ISO Clean. You can get it from loads of different places. I think you can get this on Look Fantastic. I'm sure you can get this on Look Fantastic. So I'm not sure if you're able to use my code or not, but you might be able to get 20% off this if you can. So I'll leave all my details in the description box for you. But this is the best. I've been using it over a year now, maybe like a year and a half, 2 years. I used to use it between clients. It's a really, really good brush cleaner, and it's good for your skin as well. Sometimes when you're using like IPA on brushes and stuff, it can actually be harming the skin underneath. It might be cleaning the brush, but it can actually harm your skin, I think. I'm sure there was like a study on it or something like that. So yeah, this is the best stuff. Literally amazing, dries so fast. I have so many of these, I literally love it. So these are well overdue a clean, so I can't wait to get these all clean and nice because I'm filming an exciting video tomorrow. So yeah, let's get these clean. So I just thought I'd show you how I actually clean one of the brushes with the ISO Clean, just so you can see. I find it really helpful when I see people using products. So I've just got my Mitchell brush here. This is an MF3. So I take a little bit of kitchen roll,
and the ISO Clean. The spray one I find is best, the one with the spray nozzle, because I find that the one that you pour out into the little dish never lasts as long as the spray one. Like, so I feel like I can get all my brushes clean with this and I can get so many uses out of it, whereas with the pouring one I don't. So I'm just going to spray over the bristles. This is so hard with one hand, and I'm just going to swirl it on the paper. Okay, so I've got it on the paper and I'm just swirling like this. You want to make sure that you're putting a bit of pressure on so that you can get all the stuff out of it, but you don't want to be like ragging your brush really, because your bristles are fragile. You want to be looking after your brushes, so just swirling that on there until it runs clear, and then that is a lovely clean brush. So it is a little bit damp just because I have used quite a lot of brush cleaner on it, but that will dry in like a minute or so. So if you do clients, this is a really good brush cleaner because you can really get your brushes really, really clean between clients. So yeah, love this brush as well. Really, really nice. Right, I've just cleaned every single brush. Guys, this has literally taken me an hour, 2 hours to spot clean all these brushes, but they're so nice and clean now. Oh, I'm so happy that these are clean. So I'm going to work through these. I'm going to sort them out and decide what I'm keeping and what I'm going to give away and what needs thrown away, because some of these are like so old. Like an example, like this MAC brush, Bless, is so nice, but all the like hairs are coming, all the hairs are coming out of it, which is so sad because this is like one of my favorite brushes. I used to use this all the time for foundation and stuff. Maybe not recently, but I don't know, I feel like I hold a lot of memories to this brush, but this just needs to go in the bin. So yeah, I'm going to sort through all these and then we're going to finish off the rest of this room. And we are done. It's literally 5 o'clock, guys. It's dark outside and I've only just finished. I look like a greasy, oily mess. So let me show you. Guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed decluttering, cleaning, organising with me today. I really enjoyed doing this video and I feel like my makeup room is ready for 2021. I'm ready to smash it this year. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave me a lovely little comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!